What's going on, guys? I got some parts in, and with no further ado, let me just show you. All right. First, let me just say thank you to the new subscribers. It's actually pretty awesome that I'm actually almost hitting 1,000. I know it may not be much compared to some of the people that have a lot of channels, but I didn't think it was actually gonna grow, but it's growing little by little. You know, not as fast as some, but whatever. Again, thank you for watching, and if you like my channel, just make sure you subscribe. All right. So I went to Rywire.com, and I ordered the CPR coil plug, the Hondata CPR coil plug, and I got the cover for it. As you can see, it says Rywire, and also the cover for the distributor. Now, as you can see here, I don't know if you ever seen Rywire's Integra, but it's extremely well built, and I've been following his work for quite a bit of time. And when I ordered the coil plugs, in the comment section when I ordered it, I asked him if he could possibly send me a autographed picture of his Integra. Unfortunately, I didn't get it, but I did get him to sign. I hope this is his signature. Got him to sign decal, which, you know, I guess, you know, it's something. It's something, you know, and it's better than nothing. But anyway, also what I was thinking of doing, since this is only the cover, the back part that covers the distributor, the black part in the OEM one, I'm thinking that this is gonna be, you know, it's gray and then polished. I think it's not gonna have a nice contrast to it. So what I did was I bought some OEM paint that matches the car, and I'm gonna paint this an OEM paint. I'm not a painter, so I've painted stuff before, and I painted my first engine bay. It didn't come out how it is now, but it came out all right. So I know somewhat of what I'm doing. So I'm gonna just scuff it up with 600 grit and clean it real well, and primer it, and do everything else that needs to be done with it. Now I am waiting for the Hondata still, the Hondata S300. I ended up sending that to get put together and everything, and I'm also waiting for my header to come back from being coated again, and hopefully I can start working on it again. I haven't been really working on the car because of I've been working a lot. All this stuff is expensive, and I didn't want to go this route, unfortunately, but some friends have certain influences that change your mind real quick. And also I am debating on what seat to put on. Really, I like Bride or Brid, whatever you want to call it. I like Recaros, but I still don't know which one I want to do. It's a big deciding factor because I'm trying to buy them brand new. I don't want used or anything else like that. I want it brand new, and I'm working a lot just to get it. But like I said, I'm gonna get cracking on this wire harness, and also get cracking on this. All right. Going back to this, this is what it comes with the harness, and I guess I'm gonna have to pin these stuff. Great. And a wire diagram. Oh well. I guess I'll get into that some other time. Now, I was actually taking a look at this, and I noticed that this is really bulky. I'm not really feeling this this loom that it has. All right, so as you can see, this looks pretty ugly. I'm gonna take all this loom out and redo it, probably with a heat shrink that's a little bit tighter to it. I was gonna try to put the spark plug cover on it to see if it'll fit, but it seems like it's not going to, and I'm not gonna customize or cut into the spoon cover, so that's probably gonna end up going for sale. So this is the cover for it. It actually looks pretty nice, and it would kind of suck for me to scuff it up. It's actually well well made, really well made. Really didn't, I don't think if I wanted to polish it, I probably wouldn't have to do too much to it to polish it, but again, I already have too many polished parts on the car, so this is gonna suck. But anyway, like I said, I'm gonna hit this with 400 grit. So you can see it's pretty shiny. So all right, so this is where I'm at with this. It would suck for me to mess this up, which I seriously doubt I will, but it's a really nice piece. All right, here it is, nice and scuffed up. Now I'm just gonna wash my hands and wash this with alcohol and prep it for paint. Here it is, primered up. I'm actually doing this in a separate room only because it's kind of cold outside, and I can actually just kind of clean this room. But just a quick view. This is the first coat, and probably can't tell, but it does have the pearl on it. I'll take a picture and post it up, but that's what it looks like. That's only one coat of clear. As you can see, it has a little bit of orange peel, but I'm gonna do a few more coats of clear, wet sand and buff it, and see if that will work. So this is how it came out. It's not too shiny, but I think with the wet sand and buff that I'll do to it, it'll come out. All right, so due to me working a lot, I'm gonna have to make this video in parts, but you know, with the limited time that I'm able to work on anything for my car, that's what I'm gonna do. So right here I have I took all the loom from the harness for the Hondata, and I have it fell, some heat shrink, and hopefully we'll try to get this, you know, looking better than what it is. I'm gonna have to remove each wire, remove the clip, and depin the whole thing so I could fit the heat shrink through. And I'm gonna do this for each and every one of them. I'll try to keep, you know, if you do this, try to keep in mind what wire goes to what. And also my mistake from previous wire tugs, what wire goes to what, and also how is it facing. Because for an example, I did yellow, black, and red. I switched it up, not knowing this was supposed to be facing up. So just something to keep in mind. But anyway, I already did a small mark on it, so I already know which one is facing up. So all right, with basically I'll just stop talking and get back doing this. All right, one thing I know I'm probably gonna be asked, or a lot of times you can't find it online, but to remove the wire, you have to grab. I have this this needle nose. You have to grab the insert here, or whatever you want to call it. Grab it and pull on it. Comes out. Then you grab. I have this here. You grab this, and then the actual wire inside, or the connector you want to call it, has a little, I guess, like a hook. You just remove the hook or push it back and then push down the wire. So that's just in case you guys didn't know how to do this. So I'll just get back on it again. All right, so here it is, all heat shrinked, or heat shrunk, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, organized, and everything here. Now, I kept this loom original. I didn't take this for two reasons. I was struggling to try to take this to the pendies, and I was looking around and I couldn't find a way to do it. So instead of messing with it, and second is because I think this will actually be a little bit better protected, the original, since it's going to be to the firewall and such. But anyway, that's it. And I'm not sure what's next, but let's see. Oh, brand new timing belt just came in, so hopefully I could do a video on installing a timing belt. If you don't know how to do one, I'm pretty sure there's a whole bunch of videos, but I'll record me doing it. So hopefully by next week I could probably start doing this. But other than that, that's about it. Show you how this came out. And like I said, I'm just gonna wait until probably next week for me to wet sand and buff it, only because I want it to cure just a little bit more. All right, so that's it. That's all I have for you guys for today. Unfortunately, I'm still waiting on some other parts, like I mentioned earlier. But as soon as I get some other parts, and as soon as I am able to work on the car, that's when I'll start recording more. I'll try to do it on a weekly basis, but I'm really working a lot. So yeah. But anyway, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and stay posted for the next video. All right?